Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our morning message today. Are you ready to read with me? Here we go. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. We are going to listen to two different gingerbread stories. One about a girl and one about a boy. I can't wait to share them with you. You'll have to tell me which one you like best. All right, let's take a look at some of our work. Do these words rhyme? Let's take a look. These were words that we've used in your seesaw activity yesterday, okay? We know that words rhyme when they sound the same in the middle and the end, okay? You ready for the first two? Sun, run. Sun, run. Do those two words rhyme? They sure do. They both have un. U-N, U-N. Un, un. Very good. All right, let's take a look at the next group. Dog, dig. Dog, dig. What do you think? They both have the same ending sound, but they don't have the same middle. And in order to rhyme, you have to have the same middle and ending sound. So those two words do not rhyme. All right, let's check our last two. Cat, bat. Cat, bat. What do you think? Yes, they do rhyme. They sound the same in the middle and the end. They both have at. Great job. All right, let's take a look at these dominoes. All right, we need to find out which one is less. How would we do that? You are right. We can count the dots. All right, let me grab, we'll count. I wish I had a pointer. Maybe this will work better. Well, no. All right, we're going to count the dots. We'll count the dots of this one, then we'll write it. Maybe I'll use my pen here. And then we'll count the dots on this one and we'll write it down below. And we'll figure out which one is less, which has a smaller amount. Okay, here's the first one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? You're right, 8. So I'm going to make an 8 there. All right, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we're going to make an 8. Which one is less? You are right. They're both the same. So they're equal. And remember what we had to do yesterday when they were equal? We had to circle them. Good job, you guys. Some of those math assignments try to be a little tricky, but you guys are so smart and you figure it out. Wonderful. Let's take a look at the last part of our morning message. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Wonderful. Let's keep moving forward. Our letter of the week is our letter I. It makes the I sound. I put some pictures up here so that you could see other things that begin with the I sound, like iguana, like in our card, our letter card. Igloo, igloo. And this is not a great picture, but it's ink. So you would, in the olden days, you would dip a feather in the ink and you would write. That's before we had pens and pencils. So this is ink, ink. And these little creatures are called insects, insects. So insects, iguana, igloo, and ink. All right, let's take a look at our numbers. We're counting to 50. All right, you guys ready to practice? You got to practice with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job. All right, let's count down. We'll bring our arrow right over here. Here we go, together like a team. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off to the moon. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our ABC. I loved looking at your ABC patterns that you made with your chains. And I love that you showed me pictures of where you put them. I saw that Rosalind had put hers on her Christmas tree and it looked so beautiful. So after you're finished, you can show me where you decorated your house with your chain. You did a great job. All right, let's take a look. Let's do light bulb or light. Let's call it a light. Light. Just do gingerbread man. Gingerbread man, stocking. Okay, light gingerbread man, stocking. Light gingerbread man, stocking. Light gingerbread man. Oh, he's over here. Stocking. There is my ABC pattern. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our sight words. Are you ready? We'll say them twice. Say them with me. The more you say them, the more you are able to recognize them. Are you ready? Brown, brown. Black, black. Orange, orange. Red, red. Gray, gray. Am. The. Blue, blue. At. Can. Go. Is. Like. See. Me. Great job. All right, for your activities, we've got some fun kind of Christmas ones today. So the first one, you're going to do their ornaments. And so you have to put them in number sequence. So they'll have some numbers missing and you have to put the right number in. Okay, so you kind of have to, it's right in order, like if you count. Okay, there's 10 pages. You have to do all 10 pages and then send it to me so I can see your beautiful work. Okay, the next one is Santa's beginning sounds. So Santa has a picture, like for example, in the big box here, and this is a picture of juice, juice. And then you have to put which letter does juice begin with? J. So you would move your J into the little box here, and then you do all 12 of them, okay? When you're finished, send them to me so that I get to see your wonderful work. And our last thing for Seesaw activities is Mr. Van Briesen is going to read you a story about Curious George. So you'll enjoy that story, and that's from our library, okay? For library. And then for videos, we have lesson 4.4 in math. Okay, so we're comparing numbers. We're still comparing numbers. We're handwriting. There's a video on how to make the letter I and the letter T. And then stories, the gingerbread girl and the gingerbread boy. So both of those stories are going to be on a video so that you can enjoy those two stories. We're going to be listening to lots of different stories about the gingerbread. All right, the gingerbread man and gingerbread girl. So we're going to try to get one on there every day so that you can enjoy them all. Because if you were here, that's what we'd be reading right now, because there's so many great versions of the gingerbread boy and girl. All right, let's see what else. Zooming. There's going to be friends Zooming with Miss Pam. So if you, let me tell you who they are. I'm gonna look right here right away. I have a few of you that we need to catch up that I will be calling and you'll be Zooming with me because you weren't able to make it Wednesday. So these people are for today with Miss Pam. 8:30, Andy, 9 o'clock, Maddie, 9:30, Bardilio, 10 o'clock, Duran, 10:30, Olivia, 11, Griselda, 1 o'clock, Isa, 1:30, Na, 2 o'clock, Lola. Okay, so your job is to get on to Zoom right at those times so that we can work with you. Okay, where Miss Pam can work with you. All right. Otherwise, that is everything. Again, as always, if you have any questions about anything, please message me so we can get you the right information. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day.